Good morning all. I'm kind of just standing outside a facility here in Athens, Georgia, looking at the landscape, and I see Cypress and some Carex. I want to show you a little bit more Carex. This is Evergold you're looking at here, and there's some over there by the other rock, but the one I really want to show you, just bear with me here as I just bring this around, and you're going to see by this building how well these Carex work. This is Everillo. I really love this whole series of Evers, but you can see how beautiful they are. It's been hot, it's been crummy, it's been raining, it's been dry, but these are just perfect. So who says that a landscape planting has to be filled with junipers? Who says foundations must have crappy yews when you can have some of these beautiful Carex shining? There's a little shade here obviously, but look at these. I'm a Carex guy. Come to see beautiful Athens, Georgia. We'll talk about it some more. By the way, for those of you who like this stuff, there's more information on my app. Armitage is great garden plants, all about the wonders of Carex.